Hi everyone, this is Lavanya from CSCC. Today I am here to discuss about layers of OSI model. First of all, we see what is OSI. The OSI model stands for Open Systems Interconnection Model. The OSI model is also known as the ISO OSI model as it was developed by the ISO, and ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. It is a conceptual reference model that describes the entire flow of information from one computer to the other computer. The OSI model is a seven-layered model, so it is also known as a seven-layered architecture model. The basic idea behind layered architecture is to divide the design into smaller pieces. Most networks are organized in a series of layers to reduce the design complexity. First we see what are the layers. Network layer, data link layer, physical layer. These are the lower levels. And application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer are the upper layers. First we see what is physical layer. The physical layer coordinates the functions required to transmit the bit stream of data over the physical medium. The physical layer is the lowest layer of OSI model. The data in the physical layer consists of a stream of bits. The bits data must be encoded in the form of signals for transmission. Now, for the transmission, the physical layer sets the voltage. The bits of data must be encoded in the form of signals for transition, and data rates bits to be transmitted per second. Next, we see the various protocols in the physical layer. The various protocols used in the physical layer are digital subscriber line, integrated services, digital network, Ethernet, etc. The various devices used in the physical layer are network adapters, hubs, cables, repeaters, modem, etc. And the second one is data link layer. The data link layer is a second layer of the OSI model, which is used to transmit the error-free frames from one node to the other. If the two computer nodes are on the same networks, then the data link layer provides a connection between two nodes. The main work of the data link layer is to convert the data into the form of frames. It refers to the subsection below for details about framing. Here we see the protocols used in the layer. Point-to-point protocol, frame relay, ATM. Devices used in this data link layer are bridges, switches, NIC cards. The network layer is the third layer of the OSI model, which provides communication between hosts of different networks. The network layer divides the data received from the transport layer in the form of packets. The network layer provides two ways of communication, namely connection oriented and connectionless. The protocols used in this layer are IPv4, IPv6, ACMP, IPSEC, ARP, MPLS, and the devices used in these are routers, etc. Transport layer. These are the upper layers. The transport layer is the fourth layer of the OSI model, which is responsible for the process to delivery data. The main aim of the transport layer is to maintain the order so that the data must be received in the same sequence as it was sent by the sender. The transport layer provides two types of services, namely connection oriented, connectionless. And coming to fifth one, it is called a session layer. The session layer is the fifth layer of the OSI model, whose main aim is to establish, manage, and terminate the connection between applications. Presentation layer. The presentation layer is the sixth layer of the OSI model, which mainly concentrates on the syntax and semantics of the information and exchange between the systems. The main aim of presentation layer is to convert the data from one presentation format to the other format as different applications. We use different applications. And the last one is application layer. The application layer is the seventh and the last layer of the OSI model, which mainly concentrates on providing services to the users. The application layer contains numerous protocols that are used by users for different purposes. Application layers allow users to access and share files, access and send mails, access web pages, and etc. Refer to the image below to see the primary transmission of data from the working of the application layer. Thank you.